Good morning, everybody. Out here bright and early, gonna wash out some tie-dyes. Come along for the ride.
Want to keep going until the water goes clear.
Yep.
So I see we got a lot of yellows still hanging on in here. A lot of orange.
I forgot to put my brake under that too, so watch your foot.
I think that's good enough for
Is that good?
sink.
Alrighty. This is just a cold water wash, of course. Dare we say, to the inside? Flip them, flop them. Drip them. Just don't drop them. Ooh.
Interesting.
What's that?
The orange kind of jumped over to the pink on this one.
Yeah, just a hair. Hold it up in front of that light. Oh, man. Pink sunshine. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's a good gradient on that one. Yeah, that looks like really good. Look at that. Wow. What do you think about that?
I love it.
I do too.
And this one is a small.
Success. Small.
I would say so.
Yeah.
I got some white in there.
Similar to the, look at that's the pink sunshine. And here's our final result. Check that out. Man, that came out really, really good. This is like her classic pink sunshine pattern, but done in a spiral instead of the pleated or the scrunch, which is what we normally do this in. But yeah, it came out really good. Looks amazing as always. Well, alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day.